Tänavakorvpalli 2012 hakkab pihta. Vabaüsa siin Kandelil. Ja... concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100%. Valime alustaja, kes teeb oma esimese triki, ülejäänud tüübid peavad selle enam-vähem sama süsteemiga järgi tegema.
You what's up, girl? Ain't gotta ask it. I did them all now. How about the caskets? They should arrest you or whoever dressed you. Ain't tryna stress you, but I'ma let you know, girl. You be killing them. You be killing them, girl. You be killing them. You be killing them, girl. You be killing them. You be killing them, girl. You be killing them. It is my hey yo, you know we gon' win, we going in. Don't ever try to pull my card, we hustle hard. The whole place is in.
Järgmine etapp 26 mai Tartus Lõunakeskuse parklas. Näeme seal.